Today in this video I'm gonna explain Samsung Galaxy A13 hard reset or pattern unlock. Hold down both the volume down and power keys simultaneously until the screen turns off. After the screen turns off, press and hold the power and volume up keys together. Release the power key when the Samsung logo appears. Once in the recovery menu, use the volume buttons to scroll down to the wipe data or factory reset option. Press the power key to confirm your selection. Scroll down to the yes option using the volume buttons and confirm by pressing the power key. After the reset is complete, select reboot system now from the menu. Understand that all data on the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G will be removed during this process. Once the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings as if it were brand new. After rebooting, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as you did when you first purchased it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.